Hey Gangle, Big Collector here, playing with servos today. The Micromite in the Micromite Companion is really easy to do servos. They've got different channels you can plug multiple servos into. This little servo demo that you're looking at here on screen is a demo for just moving a servo back and forth. And on my workbench here, I've got a couple servos actually plugged into that signal line. On the left is a standard servo that has the standard servo limitation of a stop point. On the right is a continuous rotation servo. The continuous rotation servo are the ones that you find on little robots where you're using servos to run the robot around the room. And right now I've got them both running off of the same signal line from the Micromite, and I'm just feeding them 5 volts from my board in the ground, and that's the only connection I need to do here. So I'm going to run the little program here, and you'll be able to see the difference between the standard servo and the continuous rotation servo. And when the same command is issued, the continuous rotation servo just simply switches directions and keeps going, while the standard servo just goes to its other point. So if you're going to do any robotics type work with the Micromite, you'll probably want to employ a different 5 volt source for your servos. We're using the standard 7805 voltage regulator on the Micromite Companion, and it can run just a little warm on this board. So definitely if you're heading toward robotics, you may want to consider maybe a switching regulator, or at least a different 5 volt source to power your servos. But really easy in BASIC with the Micromite Companion to control servos. And between this and the one line of code that's needed to run an ultrasonic sensor, you could very quickly build your own little ultrasonic detection robot that could avoid obstacles in probably about 5 lines of code. Anyway, see you on the forums. Just thought I'd give you a look at some servos on the Micromite Companion.